Hello, orchid addicts of all various colors and shapes. It's me, Leonard, and I'm back with you with another orchid video. This time I wanted to feature my first time bloomer, Brassavola nodosa, and I'm gonna start with a brief history of this orchid. I ordered it at the beginning of May of this year from OrchidGarden in Poland. It started to work on a flower spike at the beginning of October, and right now it's the 26th of November as I'm filming this video, and this bloom has been open for a few days already. When I got this orchid, it was in this size, and it has created since then, in a time span of 5 months, 7 new growths who are quite substantially larger. And I can definitely say this is a very easy growing orchid which is very vigorous. Now, looking at the bloom. You might have noticed that the bloom of my Brassavola nodosa is a bit strange, a bit odd. It doesn't match what you might have seen in other videos or pictures, and it's fairly true. I think this kind of bloom happened because it's the first time for this orchid to bloom, and also after it started creating its flower spikes, the temperatures dropped quite a bit, so maybe that also shocked it. You can see the lip and the upper petals are quite a bit more narrow than they actually should be. And this bloom has already been open for a couple of days, so I don't expect it to change its shape any farther. But overall, I'm very happy with it. The flower size is very good, the color is very good, and overall I'm a big fan of this species. Sadly, this bloom doesn't produce any fragrance, as it is supposed to produce one in the nighttime, which is supposed to be quite strong. But this doesn't have any. I think when it's gonna bloom next time, it's definitely going to hold up to what it's actually supposed to be. The flower spike, I suspect, is quite a bit shorter than actual other examples of the species are supposed to have, and it originally had 2 buds, but one of them blasted, as you can see by this picture. This is definitely nothing tragic, and this happens with the best of us, with the best growers of us. And I definitely wouldn't count myself as being a very hot shot of a grower, because I've only started growing orchids for about 1.5 years actively. So thank you for watching my little video. I hope you enjoyed it. Bet you haven't seen the, you could say, deformed Brassavola nodosa flower before, so I hope you found this interesting. If you like this video, don't be afraid to press the like button down below, and subscribe if you want to stay for further videos from me. And if you have any suggestions or opinions, go ahead and comment below this video. So have a nice day, as I'm having here in my snowy Latvia. Bye.